Ever wonder what separates e-commerce brands that make millions in revenue from those who just really struggle to make just a few sales? Let me give you a hint. In 2013, a small team with a big vision launched a subscription box company. Fast forward 3 years, and that tiny startup was acquired by Unilever for over $1 billion. That company was Dollar Shave Club, and their secret wasn't anything other than a killer marketing strategy. That's what separates the e-commerce brands that really succeed and the ones that tend to struggle. Great marketing. So in this video, I'm going to reveal 9 proven marketing strategies that have driven over $100 million in revenue for brands just like you. Now, these aren't your regular kind of vanilla tips that you've heard probably 100 times before. These are tried and tested strategies that have generated over $100 million in revenue for our clients alone. I'm Derek Stroh, and through my agency, Ascend Media, we've helped direct-to-consumer brands increase their profits, their retention rates, and their lifetime value for years. So the strategies you're about to discover have driven real results for real businesses, and you can start applying them today. Anyways, stick around until the end because tip 8 is going to be a game changer, a strategy that even seasoned marketers often overlook but can help skyrocket your revenue pretty quickly. Tip 1, choose the right platform. When you want to start selling online, it's absolutely crucial that you choose the right platform. It's like if you want to open up a new shoe store. You want to open it up in a mall or in a busy area. You don't want to open it up 30 minutes outside of the city where you get no foot traffic and there's no people who are interested in your products. It's really important to choose the right platform and the right medium of getting your product in front of people. If you look at platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, they're established and they're specifically meant for selling things online. Now, if you look at platforms like Wix, and like no shade at Wix, I built my first website on Wix, but they're not meant for e-commerce. They're not optimized for e-commerce. If you look at Shopify and WooCommerce, the SEO capabilities that they have, the apps that they have, the extensions that they have, the support both internally and with developers and other app developers that they have is just unparalleled. So when you're trying to select the right platform for your business, Shopify blows the others out of the water, to be honest. But selecting the right platform is just the beginning and really just the foundation. What other steps should you take to ensure your success? Tip number 2 is test like a maniac. Use Meta's targeting to reach your ideal customers based on their demographics, their interests, their behaviors, other brands that they've engaged with, etc. Become obsessed over finding winning offers. Create different offers that appeal to different segments of your audience based on the research you do. The offer is going to have the biggest impact on if your ads perform or if they fail. The next piece to this is test creatives obsessively. The truth is, real media buying is won over ad creative testing and offer testing, not just media buying optimizations and kind of tweaking buttons and things like that. So consistently test dozens or even hundreds of variations of your ad creatives until you find the most profitable ones that allow you to scale predictably and consistently. Now, this is powerful, but what about some other ways to ensure you make more sales? Let's review the next tip. But first, if you are finding this video helpful, then click the like and subscribe button. It encourages us to just keep making more videos like this. Tip number 3 is build a brand on social media. We're in a trust recession, which means consumer skepticism is just through the roof. Having a social media presence, posting consistently, and just making sure that you're showing up authentically will help you stand out from 99% of the companies out there, and honestly just helps to make you more credible in the eyes of your target market. Beyond that, organic content also improves ad performance. When you analyze a customer's journey, a lot of people end up seeing your ad, searching for you in Google, after seeing the ad, and then maybe go to your social media, check you out, and decide to buy based on whether or not they actually trust you. So when you have a strong social media presence, people are going to be more inclined to buy your products. Cool. So social media can help you build your brand and make you more money, but this next tip is going to help you improve sales almost overnight, and that is reach the lowest hanging fruit. Run retargeting ads. Show personalized ads based on users' behavior on your site, so based on their time spent, the certain pages they visited, the things they added to cart. What we do is use Google Display Network, Facebook and Instagram retargeting ads, and email marketing to show in front of the right people at the right time with the right message. Now, the benefit of this is that you're increasing your chances of conversion by just staying top of mind with potential buyers who may have just got distracted because of their kid or their puppy or their wife or something else distracting them. I see a lot of marketers throw shade at higher frequency, but frequency and consistency and showing offers that are actually valuable to people is going to help you gain market share. Now, after implementing these couple things, a lot of your potential customers are going to be seeing your ads and are going to be buying off of them. But how can you appeal to the customers who are just a little bit harder to convince? Now, tip number 5 is setting up automated email flows. What we recommend is setting up automated email flows to guide customers from never hearing about your brand to actually purchasing. The key thing here, though, is using customer data and actually sending personalized offers and personalized content to people based on what they actually want to see. Now, if you're not able to convert these people, or if they haven't converted in a while, create a system to win back inactive customers and see if they're interested in coming back and purchasing again or just purchasing in the first place. Most of your audience and most of the people that see your ads are not going to be ready to buy your product right away. They need to be nurtured, which is why email is so important. Speaking about email marketing, if you want the exact checklist that we use inside of our agency to help 7- and 8-figure e-commerce brands scale using email marketing, check out the link in the description below. It's free. Anyways, as we've seen, emails are great, but let's also explore some complementary marketing channels to ensure your marketing campaigns are actually seen and your messages are heard. Tip number 6 is capitalizing on SMS marketing. The great thing about SMS is you're able to reach customers instantly with time-sensitive offers. What you can do is encourage your customers to opt in with exclusive discounts only available for SMS. So once you've done this, once you start building your list up, great, you've got their attention, but are you really understanding your customers? The next tip takes customer relationships to a much deeper level. Use a CRM for personalized customer service. Centralize the data and use a CRM to just keep all of your customers' data in one place for better management. If you're using something like Shopify, you can do this there. Based off of this, tailor your marketing communication like email campaigns, etc., based off of your customers' preferences and their historical data. Using a CRM will help to anticipate customers' needs and offer timely solutions before they even know they need something. Now that you've personalized your service, how do you ensure that every sale leaves an everlasting impression? The next tip leaves your customers absolutely delighted and will boost your word of mouth. Tip number 8 is create a memorable unboxing experience. Try including handwritten notes or personalized thank you cards in every package you send. In addition to this, incentivize future purchases. Add in a discount code or a referral card to encourage repeat business or referrals. If you can design a unique package that really kind of reflects your brand's personality, it's going to stand out in the crowd. So many people receive the Amazon, mailers or things like that. If you have something that's different, it's going to stand out. So leaving a lasting impression is absolutely key. But how can you make sure your customers actually return to your store and not just any other online marketplace? The next tip brings everything just full circle. Tip number 9 is encourage repeat purchasers on your own website. Exclusive offers like providing special deals for customers who shop directly through your site rather than through a third-party app or platform like Amazon or something like that, and building loyalty programs to keep customers coming back to your website specifically will help you improve profitability. In addition to this, something that almost no brands do is create a feedback loop. Send follow-up emails and surveys to engage with customers and improve their experience, both post-purchase and pre-purchase, to try to understand a little bit more about why people are buying, what they like, what they don't, and why people aren't buying. But anyways, we've covered the essential e-commerce marketing strategies to grow your e-commerce business and your revenue. But here's the thing. There's some real unsexy and super unpopular truths about scaling your e-commerce brand right now that you may not be familiar with. Not knowing these things is probably preventing you from reaching the next level. So in the next 3 seconds, I'm going to recommend another video for you to go check out and watch those unsexy truths. Thanks so much, and I'll see you there.